If you've ever made a mistake while editing in Photopea, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Photopea using the fastest methods available. Whether you just want to reverse one small change or jump back several steps at once, I'll walk you through each option so you can fix errors quickly and keep working without losing time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips. Let's get started. The fastest way to undo in Photopea is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, simply press Ctrl Z on your keyboard. That will immediately undo your last action. This is the quickest method when you only need to reverse one step, and it works great if you're making small edits and want instant control over your workflow. If you accidentally moved an object, painted on the wrong layer, or made a change you don't like, Ctrl Z is usually the first thing you should try. Now, if you prefer using the menus instead of shortcuts, Photopea also gives you an easy option at the top of the screen. Look at the top menu bar and click Edit. In that menu, you'll see Undo or Step Backward. Select it, and Photopea will reverse your most recent action. This is a helpful method if you don't remember the shortcut, or if you simply like navigating through the interface with your mouse. It works the same way as the keyboard shortcut and is very beginner-friendly. But what if you made a lot of edits and need to go back much further than just one step? That's where the history panel becomes really useful. On the right side of the workspace, look for the history panel icon. It looks like a small counterclockwise clock or rewind symbol. Click that panel to open your full edit history. Once it opens, you'll see a list of the actions you've taken in your project. You can scroll up through that list and click on any previous state to jump directly back to that exact point in time. This is especially useful when you've made dozens of changes and don't want to press undo over and over again. Instead of stepping backward, one action at a time, you can instantly return to an earlier version of your design. That saves time and helps prevent mistakes from snowballing into bigger problems. A quick tip here. Before making major edits in Photopea, it's always a good idea to pay attention to your history states. That way, if something goes wrong, you know exactly where you can jump back to. Undo is great for small fixes, while the history panel is ideal for larger corrections and deeper changes. So to recap, if you want to undo in Photopea, you have three simple options. First, use Ctrl Z on Windows for the fastest undo. Second, go to Edit in the top menu bar and choose Undo or Step Backward. And third, open the history panel on the right sidebar if you need to jump back multiple steps at once. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. And if you want, I can also show you how to redo in Photopea or how to recover deleted layers next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.